June 3rd, 2022. This one I gotta go by. New guy called me, new customer. Just wants me to go by and check his air conditioner, make sure it's working okay. He says he changes the filters inside all the time and things working fine. He hasn't turned it on this year, he just wants to have it checked. Make sure the charge is proper and make sure the outside unit's clean and whatnot, you know. Anyway, we'll get you some shots. So he says he changes the filters inside here all the time, so that shouldn't be a problem. Make sure that's in good. What's up, buddy? Run it, check it. What we got here? So R22 2000. Something's been changed. Look crazy dirty. Down the flippin' Maya. Start it up and check the charge, I guess. This is a R22, so we're above 60 on the suction. If you had run cheaper filters, it'd probably be better suction pressure. My superheat there, gotta wait till it stabilize, but this is all looking good. This is a little bit high. I could probably hit the coil with a hose, a garden hose. I've got a faucet right here. I could hit it with a garden hose. Really can't put any more gas in it to bring this up because the superheat would come down. So the charge is fine. Suction's at 57, which is a little lower than I like to see. The superheat's right at 16. Subcooling's a little high. I gotta hit the coil on the way out. It's running pretty good, actually. Just hit it with the garden hose on the way out. Alright guys, I hit it really good with the hose, all three sides and the back, and give it a good hosing on the sides, all the way down really good. I think he's got poison ivy here, but I'm not sure if that's oak or poison ivy or whatever it is, but I don't want to catch it. The liquor.